But now they've got 17 of these CC-130J models in service, and in from the left for its first pass, the Royal Canadian Air Force Lockheed Martin CC-130J Hercules.
James,
what are you looking at?
Just
a Hercules.
Yeah, I know that. Just she made about 125. You can take to it.
And this concept of stretching a Hercules has been around for quite a long time. Indeed, the Royal Air Force did it some years ago with their C1 and C3s. The point being that you sort of ran out of volume before you ran out of the amount you could lift. So the airframes frequently what we call bulked out. It could lift more weight, but the cabin was actually full. So it obviously wasn't quite as simple as this, but you basically cut the aircraft in half, added a fillet, and sewed it back together again.
These J-30 models built as stretched aircraft from new, but of course that was a very famous conversion program the RAF undertook to create those models.
There's the Great War team.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Second of the three bypass then from the Canadian Hercules once again from the left. The aircraft not operating out of Prestwick today, in fact pre-positioned to Birmingham International Airport before coming in for its performance.
That's what's doing it.
My camera's looking. Did you see Birmingham?
Wow. That's what I'm saying. What?
Will it? Yeah, is that C-17? Is that C-17?
No.
And it's incredible to believe that Hercules has been in service around the world since 90.
The Airshow pickups, because the result might have been quite unpleasant otherwise. Coming in now at the slope for the last of its three runs, the Royal Canadian Air Force CC-130J Hercules.
Galaxy is twice as big as the C-17.
And it's nice to be able to say Royal Canadian Air Force again, because for many years, in fact since the late 60s, the Canadian Armed Forces were unified. It's